If you're interested in making your Pinterest account private, this tutorial will guide you through this process step by step. To keep your pins and boards safe and secure, it's critical to adjust your account privacy settings. To ensure that you understand the tutorial thoroughly, please watch it until the end. To begin, open the Pinterest app and select the profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three little dots on the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. When you're on the Settings page, tap on Privacy and Data. Then simply toggle on Search Privacy to hide your profile from search engines like Google. You can also make your pins and board private if you want to. To accomplish this, go back to your profile page and select the board you want to make private. Then, tap on three little dots in the top right corner of the screen and select Edit Board. Finally, toggle on Make this board secret, and only you and your collaborators will be able to view the board. You can repeat this process for other boards as well. That concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process, please leave them in the comments section below. If this video has been helpful to you, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.